Fernando. All right, little Fernando has lots to say, so let's get him started by greeting everyone. Pretty cheerful today. He has a polite question to ask you all. Very mumble towery, but I see some lovely smiles out there. Now, little Fernando is his name, but he does prefer to go by his nickname, Nando. So much, in fact, he likes to introduce himself that way. So, everybody, what is your nickname? Likes to hear himself sing it out loud, I really think. But he's a parrot, so he's playful by nature, and his favorite game to play with us, I think you guys know this one. That's right, he loves to be tickled. Now, when he is tickled, the response is often a bit of laughter. Get some chuckling. And Fernando is our master of sound effects. He's picked up a few living with us. This is us drinking a nice cold glass of water on these hot safari days. Some good chug lugs. Fernando here has heard us cough more than once, and he's picked up on that sound. There we go. And he's added a few animal sound effects to your safari experience by starting with a pig. Pretty rude, but we're not done yet. Why not the bark of a dog? Definitely not a scary dog, that's for sure. Now, Fernando is talented, that's obvious, but he's also talented musically, loves whistling, singing, and even dancing. So let's get those dance moves out of you today. Alright, he's ready to whistle now. Keep in mind when he's whistling for you, different each and every presentation. He's simply making this up as he goes along. So we'll see what he has for everyone out here today. Well, there you have a very lovely Fernando original. All right, you enjoyed that. Happy to see because his singing's just a little bit off-key. Fernando's been learning to sing from us. We're allowed to say it. Has a few of our bad habits, but I think if you use your imagination, you'll appreciate this song. Not that bad, of course. Fernando, let's maybe tune you in. Alright, I think we're ready to sing now. What song do you have in store for everyone? A little bit of our national anthem from him on his very favorite holiday, of course. Now, why does Fernando love O Canada? Well, he is proud to have hatched right here in Canada. Let's hear that again. Beautifully done for a little green bird. Give it up for Fernando.